Hey guys, welcome to Tech Now. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install and set up the Logitech G Pro yoke, pedal, and thrust system in under 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now the first step will be installing the actual yoke itself. It should come with a separate bracket, which we will just slip into the 2 holes in the front. Now underneath, we're going to tighten the bracket until it's just snug with your hand. You don't want to over tighten it later in case you want to move it, but just make sure it's tight enough so the actual yoke doesn't move around. Now if you set it up correctly, you should be able to move around the yoke without any movement at all, meaning we can move on to our thrust next. This will be a similar installation, but now the clip is installed as one piece and not a separate bracket. Again, don't over tighten this just in case you want to move it later, because it's probably not going to be in the exact place you want it first try. Now is a good time to plug in the thrust into the yoke, which will be this round cable right here. It'll just go on the back side in the little round hole. Now with the yoke and the thrust installed, we can install the last piece, which some of you might not have, but the Rudder Petals. This is an extra part of the kit that you buy separately, and this will add to the bottom by our feet. The pedals come with 2 extensions which you can put on the back to go closer to your feet, depending on how tall you are. I personally use them because they help me feel closer to the pedals so I don't have to reach as far onto my desk. Those just clip on the back and then you can shove them onto the wall in front of you. Now the last step will be plugging in the pedals into the yoke system again, using now a USB cable, and you can choose any of the 3 available USB slots. Now with all the pieces set up, you can finally enjoy this flight simulator in games like Microsoft Flight Simulator, War Thunder, and any other game that requires flying a plane. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful for setting up your yoke system. I have all the links to everything in this video in the description. And as always, if you have any questions, make sure to comment them down below. This was Tech Now, and I hope to see you guys in another video in the future. See you guys.